how to make your ads work, how to make any ad work, how to get your ads working. Listen, there's 3 things you got to do. You follow these 3 things, the money will follow you. I guarantee it. So number 1, target your base. I see a lot of you guys targeting a cold audience, which takes longer to dial in, by the way. That's a lot of skill to actually make that work. And you guys aren't even targeting your base. Your base is your repeats. Your base is your referrals. Target your base, make some money there, and then go and explore in these different areas like your cold audience. If you're not having results, right? If you're running ads, they're just not working, just target your base. Start there. Number 2, target your leads. Target your unsolds. If they came in, test drove a vehicle and they didn't buy, target them. If they came into the store and was looking for a vehicle that you didn't have and left, target them. If they hit your website and they filled out a form, target them. If they're on a third-party site, filled out a form, target them. Target your leads. And number 3, target your traffic, right? You guys got digital assets out there, target them. So if someone comes to your website but they don't submit a lead, target them, okay? Now listen, I told you there's a bonus at the end if you stay to the end. And what I'm gonna show you guys is I'm gonna give you guys the step-by-steps that you need to do. And if you just do this, you'll be able to target anybody who hits any of your digital assets. So number 1, create all of your social accounts. And then I want you guys to sign up for a ad roll account. Ad roll allows you to follow up with people across the internet. Social media allows you to follow up, obviously, on social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. Get all of your social accounts. TikTok, you make sure you have that. YouTube, that's going to be Google Analytics. Google, make sure you have, that's Google Analytics. And then you want to generate all of your tracking codes and then take those tracking codes, put it inside of a Google Tag Manager. If you don't know what that is, go and look it up. All it is it's one piece of code that you can put on your website, and then you can actually just log into Google Tag Manager and put all your traffic codes in there. So once you put them in there, it's already on your website. You don't have to contact the developer. It's very simple. Anybody can do it. And then once you have that running and that's on your site, this will allow you guys to go to those same advertising platforms and actually push your ads out to everybody who's having any interaction with you guys online. If you do that, I guarantee you guys will start seeing a major increase in the amount of leads that you guys are getting. So I appreciate you guys staying to the end of the video. And if you guys have any questions, if you need help with anything, if there's something I missed out or left out, go ahead, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you guys. Talk soon.